in essence, and according to state statute, what the three-person panel is trying to determine is if the benefit to the state of Kansas, not to Hayes or Russell or Kinsley or anybody else, but to the state of Kansas, if the benefit to the state of Kansas by allowing the transfer is greater than the benefit of the state to the state of Kansas by not allowing the transfer. And if the benefit is greater, then they allow the transfer. And we have boiled this down to economics. The Hayes-Russell region represents a $2 billion gross economy. And that economy is growing, and we've, part of our submissions for the water transfer application included a financial study from Docking Institute that points out that we're dealing with a $2 billion regional economy here in the Hayes-Russell area. And one of the things the Docking study says is that economy is growing, and there are no indicators that show the economy should slow down. It should continue to grow unless something major happens. And one major thing would be lack of available water. And so our argument is the R9 is being set up as a regional water source. It isn't just Hayes and Russell. It includes Ellis, it includes Victoria, it includes Trego County Rural Water District number 2, it includes Ellis County 1C Rural Water District. There are lots of people around here and entities around here that can benefit from the utilization of this water, that we're all tied together economically. And foundationally, we are making this an economic argument. We're a solid economy in western Kansas, which a lot of western Kansas is decaying. There's not a lot of solid economies out in western Kansas that are growing. And the economy shows no signs of letting off of that growth, but we're going to need water to continue to grow. We've reached the effective limits of our existing water sources. And as you see, droughts become more frequent. The water sources are going to be hit even harder. And, you know, we take pride in the fact in Hayes and Russell that we've managed our sources very well. We do a very good job of conserving water 365 days a year, through wet years and dry years. We don't let off of our water conservation efforts just because we get above average rainfall, as in last year. We promote things just as hard. We try to get just as many lawns converted and just as many shower heads out there.